If you are looking for best technology gadgets for your pet, then don't worry, we have got you covered here. We have listed the top 10 best gadgets that you can buy for your pet in 2021. Welcome to our channel. So before we get started, make sure to hit that like button, subscribe to our channel to join our family. The modern age has given birth to a ton of high-tech pet gadgets that make old, stuffed animals or feather on a string products look rather lame. If you're the type of pet lover who enjoys indulging a cat or dog, then you'll love what we've rounded up. We have scoured the internet for the best and most technology-packed trackers, feeders, games, and other over-the-top, and possibly frivolous, toys that will make you, and your neighbors and their pets jealous of your animal. Number 10. Mud Daddy Portable Washer. Okay, so this might not be the most intelligent product on our list, but that doesn't mean it isn't clever. If you've ever walked your dog in the heart of winter, you know just how mucky they can get. This is the portable solution, and the best thing is you could fill it with warm water, and leave it outside the house so you could clean your pooch's paws, before you even get back in the house. Number 9. Smart Water Fountain. Standard water bowls are just so boring. Why not upgrade to a smart water fountain instead? This one is capable of holding a lot of water, and it quietly dispenses it in a variety of flow modes including bubbling, flowing and more. If your pet is a bit fussy and prefers their water moving and running, this is the answer to your prayers. Number 8. iFetch Ball Launcher. If your throwing arm is getting a bit achy, or you just want to really tire your dog out without the hassle of taking them for a long walk, then iFetch might be the gadget for you. This is a machine that can launch balls up to 30 feet. It works on both batteries and mains power and can be used indoors or outside too. So it's plenty flexible. Number 7. Dog Cooling Collar. In the depths of summer, it can be hard to keep your pooch cool and comfortable. This little scarf is a brilliant solution to the problem. All you need to do is moisten the collar and wrap it around their neck like you would a collar. It's designed to stay cool for a period of time and help chill their bones. Number 6. Furbo Interactive Dog Camera. If you hate leaving your dog alone at home, then this might be the gadget for you, especially if he or she is prone to mischief when left alone too long. Along comes Furbo, the interactive pet camera. With this simple, but brilliant gadget, you can communicate two-way with your dog from your smartphone. You can also toss them a treat and even play a game with them while you're out of the home. Isn't technology grand? This is one toy that's bound to get tails wagging. Number 5. PetCube Play. PetCube Play is a stylish box that lets you do more than just keep an eye on your cat or dog when you are away from home. Connected to your Wi-Fi network, PetCube is a simple but brilliant cube that features a wide-angle camera, microphone and low-intensity laser pointer. It boasts many of the same intelligent features as a modern smart home camera, but with the added bonus of interactive play to keep your pet engaged. A two-way communication mode allows you to talk to your pet when you're not home, and the laser means you can play with them too. Number 4. Cheerble. Cheerble's offering is primarily in the form of its little ball, which randomly jumps and rolls around in a way that has had our cat completely transfixed. It's a smart little gadget that's easy to charge up and set onto a few different settings depending on what you need. You can also get it with a variety of play areas that give it places to roll into, and under to give your cat more of a challenge to get hold of it, which works really nicely. We've really been impressed by it, and our cat has, too. Number 3. GoPro Fetch. GoPro Fetch is a dog harness that works with all GoPro cameras. You can use it to mount your GoPro to your dog, and then capture the world from her point of view. The harness has 2 mounting locations, chest and back, and is machine washable. It's also fully adjustable to fit small, medium and large breed dogs in a variety of sizes. The chest mount is even removable for smaller dogs. Hilariously brilliant YouTube videos await. Number 2. PetNet Smart Feeder. PetNet is a smart feeder for both dogs and cats. It assesses the dietary requirements of your pet and creates a custom feeding regimen. It'll also alert your device when your pet has been fed or when you need to buy more food. You can of course manually adjust feeding schedules from your laptop or mobile device in real time from anywhere. And finally, you can use PetNet to track your pet's calorie intake on a daily, weekly, or monthly basis. The feeder itself features status LEDs, micro USB power, a food level sensor, and more. Number 1. Tractive GPS 4. Tractive is another excellent and reliable pet tracker that uses GPS to track your dog's location nice and accurately. Other models cater to cats, too. Like WhistleGo, above, you do need a monthly subscription, though, which is a slight shame. The tracker itself is nice and small, and weatherproof to ensure your dog doesn't accidentally brick it on a rainy walk. You can set fenced-off areas to alert you if your dog strays away, and check out both live tracking and location history features to get a sense for what they've been up to. Let us know if you have any question and comment below. If you enjoy this video, please like the video, and also subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching.